Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently I came across a very interesting potential breakout stock, which you can put it on your watch list. The stock is Growell, and in fact it has already broken out of a daily time frame pattern, and the weekly time frame breakout is also looking good. Then that is why I'm making this video. I have taken a position already, and I'm in a profit of 3,67,000. 12% profit. So there is still an opportunity for you to enter because there is a huge weekly breakout from the pattern. So let me just explain you in detail. Before that, please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts. So if I can get 10k likes for this video, I will again come up with a video like this for a potential breakout. So please like this video. So in this video we're going to analyze this stock, which is Growell. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Growell. Make sure to select the stock from BSE exchange, not NSE exchange, because from NSE you would find the data only from August 2021, because you need to look at the past data. So please select the BSE chart, okay, not NSE. And if you look at the Growell, okay, the stock has been on an amazing trend from this level. August 2013 it was at a price of 4 rupees, and then it moved up 1700% in next, I don't know, 3-4 years, and then the stock has been in a consolidation for the past, again, from 2018, 4 years, and again now it has given a breakout. So this is a very good opportunity for you to enter. If you guys are very conservative, you can wait until this all-time high of let me check, okay, which is just a second, okay, so which is to 85.50. that is the all-time high. If you want to wait until that point, that's okay, but for me again, my buy signal was way before that. In fact, we bought it 2 weeks back. I posted this, if you look at the daily time frame, let me delete this so that you don't get confused. So okay, and we posted this in the community. I remember posting it last 2 weeks back, and a few were able to make already some good money. I hope they are still holding. So the thing is, I bought it right after this. My average price was 70. Okay, this is where I bought it, right at the top, and then after I was in profit the next day also, but after a few days the stock started to consolidate. My stop loss was exactly here. Okay, so I invested around 32 lakhs in this trade. I'll just post the screenshot. I invested 32 lakhs and the profit so far is 12%, which is 3,69,000. So so the thing is, I was in a loss for the last 10 days, okay, and my stop loss was this swing low, and it touched it almost touched my stop loss. I was planning to do a stop loss video for this stock, but that is why you have to be very strict when it comes to your stop loss. You should not close it just because it is nearer to your stop loss. No, you should not close it. Back then when I used to start, I have this habit of closing the trade way before the stop loss, and this is where most of the beginners would lose money, right? Think about it. Obviously I was in a good loss, I think more than 1 lakh, but I was very sure that I would close the trade only if this swing low is broken, because this is a huge buying candle. So if the sellers are there, they have to be very aggressive to compensate this green candle, right? So it takes a lot of selling pressure to break this area, to break this swing low. So that is why I kept the stop loss below this swing low, and it paid off. So I am still in a profit of 12%. I'm still holding, and if you ask me if you can enter here, let me give you a idea. I'm not going to give you a buy signal or sell signal. I don't want to be responsible for both your loss or profits, but I can give you an idea what could be done. The stock has been in a good trend, guys, okay, previously, and it has been on a very good consolidation also for the past 4 years, and in daily time frame it has given a very good breakout. Two things you can do: you can either wait for some kind of consolidation, or you can wait for 85 to cross. Okay, this is the 85, right? Okay, sorry, not this, I think it's this, yeah. So you can wait for this area to cross, or wait for some kind of consolidation, or if you want to enter immediately, you can put your stop loss as this one. So if you are ready to take that risk, okay, if you're, let's say you're entering here, if you are ready to take this much risk, you have to wait for at least 1:2, which is 124. So if you think this setup is looking good to you, you can enter. That is nothing wrong, guys. Or you can enter like 20%, like let's say you have 1 lakh, probably you can enter to 20k, and then you could look at the price action. Let's say if there is some kind of consolidation, again put 20k, and again if it is going up, again you can add 20k. You can do that, you can do the pyramiding, and you can trade like that. You need not allocate the entire capital in one go. So this is also a good practice that you can follow. If you ask me, I'm still holding because it has given a good breakout in the daily, and even in terms of weekly it has given a very good breakout. Let me draw it again, redraw it, so that you get an idea, right? So this is kind of a good this is Friday, and it is, when I'm recording this video, it is, let me check the time, 1:30. I hope it closes very strong. So if it closes very strong on Monday, you can definitely take up a trade. As I said, you have to be prepared for a little wide stop loss, because this is a mid cap stock, I guess. I haven't checked the market cap yet, so the volatility will be there. So it is better to keep a wider stop loss, and yeah, it is not wrong to keep small stop loss also. It totally depends on your way of doing the trades. So yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and if this is closing a very strong on Friday, definitely you can consider this. You can put this stock on your watch list for sure, because both the weekly time frame and the daily time frame is showing a buy signal. And even the candlesticks, look at this candle. If it is closing right where it is right now, it is still a good candle. And any kind of consolidation is a buying signal, because so far I'm not seeing any kind of wick at the top. This small wick is definitely okay, but anything lesser than this is not very good for the stock. Let's see how this price action is evolving. So yeah, also let me know what you would do with this trade in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you soon.